Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I really wish I would have added this to Part 1. I didn't think about it till the other one was loaded. You could take your Smart Fill tool and fill in your page with this rectangle. If you didn't watch Part 1, you'll be lost. And then we could just put that back and hit P, put it in the center of the page. That is your page. I mean, everything's going to snap to it. Will it's still acting as your page. Your rulers are correct. It's 0, 0. Your guidelines will snap to it. I'm sure you could use Roy Brewer, my mentor, uses this background all the time, so he can see white objects. And if we take this away, and that is a white object, you can't see it until you put it on your background. This way, you don't have to do back minus front. If you bring in some clip art that has white in it and you need to separate it, it's always going to be there. And it does work because we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. So this is working as a page. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.